It's one of those things that we have all been wondering. What's the deal with bees and hexagons? Well, wonder no more, because a study published at the Orion Magazine finally sheds light to a question that has puzzled people and scientists for centuries. Here is how it goes. As we all know, honeycombs store honey, which is very valuable to the bees as it sustains the hive and feeds their young, but also makes the wax that actually holds the honeycomb together. To produce it, bees have to go through a long process, and therefore it's obvious that they need to build a secure storage with as little effort as possible. This means that all the cells should be exactly the same, so they fit tight with every other cell. A honeycomb built from spheres, pentagons, octagons, etc. wouldn't be ideal because it will create gaps that will need extra wax for patching. Of course, the same perfect structure can be made possible not just from hexagons, but also from other two geometrical figures with equal sides, squares and equilateral triangles. So why do bees always use hexagons? Here is where it gets very fascinating. The idea was first proposed in 36 BC by Roman scholar Marcus Terenius Varro, but it was proven mathematically 2000 years later by Thomas Hales, a mathematician at the University of Michigan. As it turns out, a hexagonal honeycomb has the smallest total perimeter and therefore it needs less wax to be built and is a more compact structure. If you think about it, compactness matters and it makes absolute sense. To produce a single ounce of wax, a bee must consume 8 ounces of honey. Hexagons are the perfect design in economizing labor and wax, and that's why bees always use hexagons to make their beehives. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sokumo Facts for more interesting updates. Have a nice day.